find your videos on YouTube. So you've just created your YouTube channel. You've come in, you've uploaded a video, but where is it? Well, one thing is really important. It takes a while for it to get there. So don't expect it to be immediate. But this is the reason why I'm showing you this now, because there's nothing there. This channel has no videos. But if you want to access them, you go to the little icon of the person, and then you go to the YouTube Studio, and that should take you over to where you see them. And once they are uploaded, let's see if they have. I doubt whether they will have done yet, but we'll have a look. I'm trying to catch this before it. Current subscribers 0. Nothing, 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 nothing. We have nothing, no content. Dashboard. So we're going into content to have a look. Absolutely nothing. This is where you access your video, or you can upload using this little upload button, or you can upload using this little upload button. There are so many possibilities, but we'll come back and we'll have a look at them later. But that's how you create access to your video content on your YouTube channel.